Chiquinha, Chiquinha.
Go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Okay, so today on Get Sidetracked, we're gonna be visiting a live volcano. This is in Poas, and there it is right there. So I have a zoom camera, so I'm going to be going into the volcano, and you can see the activity. And basically, this is kind of a waiting deck. So everybody has 15 minutes to come in little groups, and then they wear a hat that's color coded. So this is the green group, green helmets. And they also are kind of talking about right there. You just saw like a little yellow circle. Later, I'll show you some yellow circles of where lava actually spewed into this overdeck, this overlooking area, and they circle it, those things in yellow. And so yeah, this is actually a live volcano. It's actually, you can actually see the gas is coming out of it, and at times you can see live lava as well. And you see that little yellow spot? That's what I was talking about with the things that lava that spewed up. So if it gets very active suddenly, there's little shelters, and I'll show you those too. There's another one that lava has come up and spewed, and I think most of those, it's not like it happens like at any moment, at any time. It could, but my understanding is that I think there was a pretty big eruption in 2017, I think, which was filmed 2 years ago from this spot, and those yellow spots too. So some of it hit the railings. So yeah, it's pretty serious. So the people. So this groups are quite small. Like all the people that are watching right now could easily run into the shelter. There's at least 2 shelters that I saw. There could have been even another one that I wasn't really counting them. So I intentionally looked at some with the camera, and you'll see those too. To the left, you can see some of the lava flows, and if later you'll see the camera, and I'll go all the way down, and you can see how far it flows way into the mountains. More of it. So yeah, you don't want to be there when it erupts, that's for sure. I mean, I imagine you'd be sitting in one of these little shelters, but you wouldn't know how long it would last, right? So it'd be, who knows? There's one of the shelters behind me right there. Actually, I think that one might not be, because there's some windows in that, I think, in that cement building. And right now I'm just this is showing where the lava flowed. Points of impact, 2017, April 2017. Okay, so that's all from one particular. That's a shelter right there. So all the people with the green helmets, they can flow into that one or another one as well, and that would protect you from the little spews. Anyways, I don't know if a big one, something massive. So okay, so and this I took. I was with a friend of mine, so we took a taxi all the way from San Jose directly here. I think that was the only way to really do it. I'm sure I could have organized some other way, but there wasn't any. There's no simple way to get up here. So we actually rented him for the entire day, and so we also went to Jaco Beach and some other places around Costa Rica for the whole day. And I think he charged us $200 American, I think. So I think we got a really good deal for a taxi driver for the whole entire day. So I paid $100 and he paid $100, but it was worth it just to get, to these little spots like this. And there's some geysers, I think right there. I think I could see a little bit of yellow, like a little fluids. I guess you'd call it fluids. I don't know if that's the same as lava, or like lava is when it's actually flowing, right? When rocks, so I don't know. I guess it would be fluid activity as well. So okay, so this is and you can see it on the map up at the beginning. You can see exactly how far it is from San Jose. It's not too far. I think because we had to go way up at the top of a mountain like that, to get here, then we could walk about 10 minutes. So there's another place that has another kind of shelter area with all the hard hats, and different groups will come out in different hard hats. So this is a green group. Before there was the white helmet group. So all the white helmet groups have to be gone within 15 minutes, and then the new group comes, that all have a different color helmet, and then a different color helmet again, a red or whatever. So that's basically the structure of it. So yeah, pretty cool. So okay, I have another video of this volcano too, so I might do some more talking and talking about that as well, and I might have a little bit of different images as well. So if you want to check that out in the next, it'll be in the Costa Rica section as well. All right, hope you enjoyed this. Get sidetracked. Lastly, if you like the video, please make a comment. Chiquinha, chiquinha.